Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses that are offered by Oxford Home Study Center, which is known as OHSC. So they offer 48 free online courses across different domains like cybersecurity, fashion, construction. A lot of topics are covered. So we'll be seeing what are those free courses offered by OHSC, and we'll also see how to enroll in the course. So we'll be seeing everything. I'll show you everything. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And if you are wondering what's inside this special offers, it's courses at discounted rate. So if you want to get courses for 50% off or something like that, you can just check out this special offers page. I hope you'll find that useful. And before we get into the content, I just want to tell you about this Coursera monthly plan offer. So Coursera is one of the best e-learning platform compared to any other thing because the courses in Coursera are actually offered by top universities and companies like Google, Duke University, HSC Paris, which is one of the top most business school. So when you get to learn from professors working at these top universities and companies, you will get a very good experience and you will get complete knowledge. It's not like a broken pieces, like bitten pieces here and there. You will get complete knowledge packed all together, and they would have structured the course very easily for you to understand. So it's one of the best e-learning platform, as I said. And if you take the monthly plan, you can save a lot of money with that, and you can get unlimited certificate programs. So I'll just show you the comparison now. You will get access to 3000 plus courses, guided projects, specialization, everything available in their platform at just 4,352 per month if you take their monthly plan. But if you buy any single course or any single program, you will have to pay somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the monthly plan for 4,352, you can get access to entire platform at this rate for 1 month. And with that, you can earn unlimited certificates, and you can develop job relevant skills. For example, let's say you want to learn Python. Before taking this 1 month offer, sorry, 1 month plan, what you have to do is see what are the courses available in Coursera for learning Python. I know there are very good courses offered by top universities. Just list it out and see which course you want to concentrate on, and then go for this monthly offer and take it and get your certificate. That will be easy. And then one more point is 15 professional certification programs are available in Coursera, which is actually offered by companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and a lot more. You can also get access to that. And if you find any certification program, any professional certification program for your industry, you can make use of it. That will be useful, and it will boost your resume profile, whatever it is, in the interview. So I hope you'll find this Coursera monthly plan offer useful. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of this, and you can get the Coursera monthly plan offer using the link which I have given in description. So I hope you'll find it useful, as I said. So now let's get into the content. So here they have given the complete list of free online courses offered by Oxford Home Study Center. So let's see what are those. So you have a free business management course, free construction management course, customer services course, event management course, hotel management, human resource management, project management course, supply chain management, risk management, travel and tourism, free accounting and finance course. And then you have free diet and nutrition, interior design course, cyber security course, digital marketing, social media marketing, life coaching course, wedding planning course, administrative skills, accounting concepts and standards course, warehouse and material handling course. So a lot of courses are available. You can see the entire list. If I read it if I read every course, it will take another 5 minutes. So I'll just leave it as it is. So you can see the entire list of free courses offered by Oxford HSC here. And these are completely free. As I said, you do not have to give any card details or anything like that. You just have to create your account and enroll in the course. I'll just show you that. And now if you want to know more details about any course here, for example, let's take this cyber security course, where it is. Here it is. So if you want to know about this cyber security course, just click on it, and it will take you to that particular course page like this. And here you can see more details about this course, like the course duration and entry requirements. So everything will be given here, and you can also see the course syllabus. That is what you'll be learning in this course, what are the topics will be covered in this particular course. So you can also go through this. And to enroll in the course, what you have to do is just click on this start your free course button. just click on it, and it will take you to another registration page like this, where you have to fill in your details and create your account. So you have to give your name, email ID, and then you have to set a password for your account, and just accept this terms and conditions, and then click on the next button and create your account. So I'll just give the details now and catch up after that. So once you give all your details and click on the next button, you will be landing on this dashboard here for your account. Now you can see my courses, my profile, everything here. This is the dashboard. So what you have to do is just click on my courses here. And once you go into the my courses section, you will see two types here: my enrolled courses and enroll for another courses. Just click on enroll for another course and search for the course in which you want to enroll in. For example, I'll search for cyber security. So here it is. And now what you have to do is click on this enroll now button, and then you will see a pop-up like this. Click on the apply button here. So what it says is you have successfully enrolled in the course. So let me click on OK, and let me just go to my enrolled courses. So here you can see the course in which you have enrolled now. What you have to do is just click on access course, and then you will see two sections here. One is study material and the other one is assignments. So in study material section, you will see the topic, I mean in which course you have enrolled in, and on the right side you will see file, and download button will be available for it. Click on download and download the course materials for the course in which you have enrolled in. And in assignment section, you can just click on take online exam, and you can just complete it. It will be very simple, you do not have to worry about that. So this is how you need to enroll in the free courses offered by Oxford Home Study Center. There are more than 40 courses. I hope you'll find this useful. A lot of rare topics are found here. I mean accounting, life coaching, cyber security, facilities management, interior design. We do not get free courses for these subjects very often, so make use of it. I hope you'll find this video useful. And if you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And as I said, do not forget to check out this Coursera 1 month plan offer, for which which you can get at 4,352. You can get unlimited access to 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, professional certification programs. I hope you will really find this useful. And if you want to connect with me on social media channels, you can just check the link in description. I have given the link for Telegram, Facebook, everything. So just check it out. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates about all our videos. So that's it. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.